Hey everybody, you know what day it is? It's Friday. All right, we got a special treat today. Today's drink goes out to Ed Harris. All right, he requested an old fashioned. Just a little quick background about Ed Harris. He was actually with me on my last bull ride up in Harper, Texas. Rode with me in the ambulance all the way to I-10 before I had to get in the chopper and fly into San Antonio. He wanted to ride in the chopper with me, but they wouldn't let him. So he had to drive the rest of the way along with the rest of our other friends. Okay, Ed, thank you for that, buddy. This drink's for you, all right? So, we can do this two different ways. Doing the old fashioned, right? We can do the ready mix, but that would be cheating. We don't want to cheat. First thing we're going to need to do is 2 bar spoons of simple syrup. Okay, now, I don't have a bar spoon, but what I do have is a grapefruit spoon. And if you've ever used a grapefruit spoon before, you'll know how valuable this tool is, right? I put this tool right up there on the same level as a T-post puller and a stent stretcher. That's how valuable this is, all right? So, let's do a couple of these. 1, 2, we're gonna make 2 drinks out of this. Let's just double that up. 3, 4 of those, all right? Now, this is our bitters, right? I should have put my glasses on, I couldn't read it. And I know there's only 2 ingredients, so it doesn't take a rocket scientist to do this, right? So it says a couple of dashes, but because we're doing 2 drinks, put 3 or 4 in there. Now, whiskey. We are going to use Texas Select, all right? This same company makes another brand of whiskey called Texas Crown, okay? I think it's made by the same company. And to be honest with you, I think Texas Crown's a little cheaper and it's smoother. Go figure. And yes, for those of you that are whiskey experts, this is not made in Texas, even though it caters to us, all right? It's actually made in Canada. So it's a Canadian whiskey. Typically, this drink calls for a bourbon or a rye. We're gonna use this because it's Texas Select, right? Okay, so we need about 1.5 ounces, 2 ounces, but because we're in Texas, we're gonna cheat that a little bit, all right? Now, from there, we take our grapefruit spoon and you stir it. Oh man, I can smell that. Can you smell that? Man, that smells good. I didn't know about this drink at first, but I think I'm gonna like it. All right, then strain this puppy into the glasses. 1 for Janet. A little bit for me. We'll go back to her. They say garnish it with an orange. We're gonna do a little orange squirt in there. Remember when you were kids and you'd walk up to your brother or sister and kind of squirt him in the eye with this thing? We're gonna squirt it in the drink here. Garnish it. Happy Friday.